Top 7 Best Air Rifles 2024, the ultimate airguns for hunting. Looking for the perfect air rifle to dominate your next hunting trip? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, in today's video we're talking about the top 7 best air rifles for hunting in 2024, all of which you can grab on Amazon. Whether you're targeting small game, pests, or just aiming for precision, this lineup has you covered. Spoiler alert, stick around because our 4 pick is a game changer that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. You won't want to miss it. And don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these air rifles. Alright, let's jump right into it. 7. Benjamin Marauder Synthetic Stock PCP. Kicking off the list is the Benjamin Marauder, a D22 caliber PCP air rifle that sets the bar for performance and customization. Why it stands out: ultra-quiet operation thanks to its full-length shroud, making it ideal for stealthy hunting. Customization galore: tune the muzzle velocity, shot count, and trigger settings to your exact preferences. Performance: with JSB Jumbo Express pellets, it delivers 30 consistent shots per fill and exceptional accuracy. While the build is on the heavier side, especially with a large scope, and the synthetic stock design isn't for everyone, its versatility and user-friendly features make it a favorite. Priced around $520, it's a worthwhile investment for hunters and airgun enthusiasts alike. 6. Hatsan Invader Auto Air Rifle. Looking for semi-automatic power? Meet the Hatsan Invader, a .22 caliber beast perfect for rapid, reliable shooting. Semi-auto action: a refreshing change from the usual bolt-action rifles, allowing quick follow-up shots. Performance: packs serious punch for pest control or target shooting. Let's start with Pasta. Design: equipped with a 12-pellet rotary magazine and a Picatinny rail for customization, it's built for functionality. At over 8 pounds, it's better suited for bench shooting than field use. But if you value power and semi-auto action, the Invader delivers an unmatched experience. 5. Barra Airguns Sportsman 900. Next up is the Barra Sportsman 900, a versatile air rifle with a futuristic design and solid performance. Power: reaches up to 800 FPS with 10 pumps, offering 1-inch accuracy at 30 yards. Features: adjustable iron sights and a 20-inch barrel provide great precision, but the included scope is more of a placeholder. Upgrade: recommended. Lightweight build, perfect for younger shooters or casual use, though seasoned enthusiasts might find the plastic stock less premium. Ideal for beginners and backyard hunters, the Sportsman 900 is a reliable entry-level air rifle. Accessorize it and you'll unlock even more potential. 4. Crosman 760p Pump Master Classic 177 caliber. The Crosman 760 Pump Master Classic is all about introducing young shooters to airgunning. Lightweight design, weighing just 2.2 pounds, it's perfect for juniors or anyone seeking an easy-to-handle rifle. Adjustable power: the multi-pump system offers flexibility with 3 to 10 pumps for customizable shooting power. Performance: fires pellets or BBs, but for accuracy, stick with pellets. Expect consistent results at 20 yards with 5 FT/lbs of power. The included 4x16 scope is basic. Consider upgrading for better results. Despite its plastic build, this air rifle is a fantastic, affordable choice for beginners and young shooters. 3. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3 I-22 caliber. The Gamo Swarm Magnum is a powerhouse, offering innovation and performance in one package. Game-changing feature: the 10X Gen 3i rotary magazine allows for 10 rapid shots without reloading. Power and precision: the IGT Mach 1 gas piston delivers consistent, robust shots with reduced recoil. Customizable trigger: the CAT system lets you fine-tune the trigger for a crisp, smooth pull every time. Whether you're hunting pests or hitting targets, the Swarm Magnum combines power, innovation, and ease of use, making it a standout choice for experienced shooters. 2. Barra Airguns 1200 DG caliber pellet. Versatility is the name of the game with the Barra 1200G, a dual-caliber air rifle built for adaptability. Interchangeable barrels: switch between .177 and .22 calibers with ease, making it suitable for various shooting needs. Hour achieves up to 1200 FPS with over 777 pellets and 1000 FPS with 0720, perfect for hunting or target practice. Precision. The dovetail rail and included 4x32 scope ensure pinpoint accuracy. With a durable polymer sleeve steel barrel and ergonomic grip, this rifle is built to last. It's a versatile, powerful option for those seeking flexibility and performance in one package. So, 1. Magpul Hunter X22 stock for Ruger 10/22. Topping our list is the Magpul Hunter X22 stock, an upgrade that transforms your Ruger 10/22 into the ultimate hunting tool. Drop-in design, easy installation with no gunsmithing required, making it accessible for all skill levels. Ergonomics and comfort, adjustable length of pull, comb height, and a non-slip rubber butt pad ensure perfect fit and control. Durable build, reinforced polymer construction with MLOK slots for accessory customization. Compatible with all Ruger 10/22 magazines and barrel types, this stock elevates your rifle's performance, comfort, and versatility. It's the upgrade you never knew you needed, but won't want to live without. Final thoughts? And there you have it, the top 7 best air rifles for hunting in 2024. From the versatile Benjamin Marauder to the innovative Gamo Sworn Magnum and the transformational Magpul Hunter X22, there's something here for every shooter. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab the perfect air rifle for your next hunting adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.